Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to be talking about copyright free images, and we're going to be taking a look where to get them, and we're going to do that on Unsplash. But before we do that, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit subscribe, ring the bell to get notification of future videos. Also check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment to find out a step-by-step strategy to start your own online business today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. So let's get focused on those copyright-free images over on Unsplash. Of course, everything I talk about, to include a link to Unsplash, will be in the description, so you can just click on the link and you can follow along. So you click on unsplash.com down in the description, and it'll take you over to Unsplash, where they say this is the internet source of freely usable images powered by creators everywhere. And of course, up here at the top you'll see a search bar, then you have a search bar here in the middle. You'll see some wallpapers, textures and patterns, natures, current events. Now, textures and patterns is a great place to get backgrounds for your web pages. So if you're building a website or a landing page, this is a great place to get images that you can freely use. Another great thing is a lot of great pictures for animals. So a lot of great pictures for animals here if you need that. But really, anything that you need, all you have to do is just pop your search inside of here, and you can see it'll give you suggestions. So for example, if you're looking for an entrepreneur, say you're writing a info product and you want to add some images to an info product, say a page or a PDF, here are some great options to represent entrepreneurship. And as you can see, these are awesome images, and all you have to do is click right here to download. And when you click right here, you'll see that it'll say thanks. Crediting isn't required, but is appreciated and allows photographers to gain exposure. Nice, I like that, to gain exposure. Copy the text below or embed a credit badge. All right, and then up here you can see that it's going to, of course I'm in Chrome, you're going to see that it's going to download that file, and it's going to be a JPEG right there. Then of course when that finishes, you'll see that you can open that, and you'll have that nice image that you can use on your website or again in an information product. Of course, you can also join for free by clicking the join free button up here. When you click the join free button right here, you can see that you can join using Facebook, or you can enter your information and you can join right there, and you'll have access to your own account right there on unsplash.com. So let's go back and look at the images. And when we were talking about the images here, of course, the main thing you want to focus on, of course, these are copyright free. If you go up here to these three little dots, you want to check out the license. You want to read the license so you make sure that you're doing everything correctly. And you'll see here, all photos published on Unsplash can be used for free. You can use them for commercial and non-commercial purposes. You do not need to ask permission from or provide credit to the photographer or Unsplash, although it is appreciated. Okay? Now they're going to have a caveat down here. This license does not include the right to compile photos from Unsplash to replicate a similar or competing service. So what they're saying is, don't download a bunch of these files and start your own free photo service. They don't want you to compete using their photos, the photos that the photographers have shared up here for your use. All right, questions, read our FAQ. Of course, click on that, hop over to the FAQ, and go through and make sure you understand all these Unsplash license frequently asked questions, if you have any. Or if you have any questions, you can go ahead and search for the articles on the Unsplash database. You want to make sure that if you have any questions, to check this FAQ to make sure that you're within your rights to use the hard-earned work that is being shared with you for free. All right. Now you'll notice when I downloaded that file was in a JPEG. One thing you need to understand is where and when and how to use a JPEG, and of course I'll link in the description right here to this article, but why does it matter? So check out the link in the description, and you'll see right here, this is over at thrivethemes.com. You should really think about why does it matter and whether or not you need a JPEG or a PNG specifically when you're talking about using images on your website, because the answer is about compression, image compression, right? So this is just a tip to make sure that you're using the correct image. Even though these are free copyright images, they may not be the best if you need a JPEG versus a PNG. So I just wanted to throw that in there for completeness. And again, the link for that is in the description. And that is Unsplash in a nutshell. Again, this is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Check out the link in the description for a simple step-by-step and effective blueprint to start your own online business and get started today. That's all I got for you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.